James. Yes, takes out. Number 4, pull up James. Target for goal. Manirel. Tumira. Yes, sir. Nice shot.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa semifinals ng Bulacan Intertown Juniors Division para sa laban ng Balagtas at Bukawi.
Here's jump ball, board pin number 5 and number 21. First ball possession for Bukawi. Pass to number 33, number 10 was open sa 3. No good. And here's team Balagtas. It's number 31, naipit si Idol. Pass break ngayon. And all alone. First block. Suarez. Ginasa kay Malyari. Number 31. Stop pull up Jay. Bakit mo to? Pass to number 10. Drive to the middle. Fires off the glass. And now back to Bansu. Suarez, pass to Malyari. Drive, fires off the glass. And number 10 here. Nakalusot si Idol. Break space and pull up game. Yes, good. Pass break na yun. Bounce pass there. De Los Santos. Malyari, nakitawan ng bola. Takes out. Number 19, pull up game. Target for goal. And here's number 33 here. Number 5. Pull up play. Too strong. Pass break. And all out of there. Late. Target for goal. And number 33 here. Pass number 10 takes out. Open for play. Suarez. Malyari. And then the number 19 takes Lauder, top range goal. Suarez setting the play. Pass to number 19, Osha to De Los Santos.
And second shot.
Here, drive, play, yes, nasa kay number 30. Akot, naagawan dito. Lumisigsag si Idol. Attack, fire. On the ground, no good. Lumilipat tong si Idol. Number 4. Pinasa kay number 13. Binitbit leg. Easy body. And Balena. Salinel. Manirel. Umatake. Bumangka. Tumira. Oh yes, sir. Nice shot. And here you go. Team Balagtas na gitna. And for the inbound, number 4 here. Number 4 Fernandez. Attack. Oh! And crosses the midline now. And Salinel. Pass on the inside. One to bounce. Fire on the top. Pocket for goal. Number 40, Balagtas. Fernandez. Pass to number 13. Corner. Pull up Jay. Pocket for goal. Salinel. Bounce pass inside. Pull up play. And oh, traveling. Here's number 4, Fernandez. Passing to Hamilton. Sa gitna. De Los Santos. to the middle. Launches three. Off the mark. And here's Tim Balagtas. Setting the play. Ramos. Nakapitan. Patrick. Ang pinakamalaki at pinakamasok yan para kay Sarili. And 15 seconds of the game clock. Hernandez here. One kick out. Hamilton. Ramos. Pinasa sa gitna. Pulang K. Too strong. Battle for rebound. Nakuha ng Team Bukawi. Baseball pass. Nakagaw. Long play. Hernandez here. Pass it to the corner. Launches three. Too strong. There we go Team Bukawi. Number 27. At the middle. Salinin. Bounce pass inside. Buwata connection. Butata. Pass it to Ramos. Sa gitna. Pull-up game. No good. Battle for the rebound. Pinasahan ng kalaban. Bounce pass there. 1-on-1. Pilit late. Oh, nice. Hernandez. Pasa sa gitna. Cristobal. Corner. Hernandez. Pass to the corner. Pass at the middle. Cristobal. Bukawi, number 25 here. Pass to number 7. Sa gitna. Pass back. Salingel. Pass on yan. Ay, di pala sa... Pass to number 2. Nasa bulang kalis. Oh! Ingat idol. Yari. Nasa doon. Naglawa. Uy, libreng-libre si Salingel. Easy to walk. Suarez. To Ramos. Pass back Suarez. Attack corner. No good. And it's Team Bukawi. 1-on-1. Fake. No good. Pass back. Number 2. Bounce pass. There we go. Team Bukawi. Number 27. Number 25. To number 0. Drive. 5. Off the glass. And pass it down. Number 11. Suarez. Tumira sa 3. In and out. Good rebound. Resting. Oh! Wata mo! Grabe step down. And here we go. Team Bukawi. Number 27 here. Pass to Delangton. Number 11. Pass to the middle. Oh, behind naman. Space. 27. To Delangton. Pass it back. And number 25. Number 27. Lane. Pass it na. Bounce pass. Ang gandang pasa. And tie-game tayo mga idol. Suarez here. Pass back to Suarez. At the corner. Sa gitna. Number 11. Takes out. Wide open sa 3. Good. Nagkabantaw na yung magkasama. Alejandro. Oh! So good. Rebound. Put back shot off the ground. Bago po. Suarez. Counter shot. On goal. Rebound for Team Bukawi. Number 5. Nakagawan sa likod. Pardo. Pass it. Stepmom. Nalibre. Oh! Short. At the corner. Long sleeve. Ball out. Alejandro. To number 25. Bounce pass there. Bounce pass in the middle. Nasal na dito. Stay brother. Yes. And Hernandez. Pass to back to Hernandez. Hamilton. Over. Fire. Number 27. Alejandro. Napakita dito. And here you go again. Full play. Salinel. Pass inside. One bounce. 5. Not good. Last break. Sakto yung pata. Sakto yung tira. Salnel. Number 31. Gawin. Pinasa sa Saliner. Danielo. Pasok yan. Danielo. Number 17. Ramos. Cross pass. Atas. Kick out. Right. Suarez. For the inbound. Pass inside. Nakalugod si Idol. Suarez. Paso. Escobar. Play. Rebound. Paso na under water shot. Nagmamadali ko si Idol. Stop. Number 30 player. Paso de la Cruz. Bounce pass. Tumanga. Tumira. Pasok yan. One open sa 3. Off the mark. Pakitawan. Pasplit na yun. Gitna bumangka. Tumira. Pasok yan. Then De La Cruz. Atas. Atas. Pasok yan De La Cruz. Pass number 2. Pass sa 10. Paso Ramos. Ramos. Isa sa corner. Long three. Maluto. Danielo. Quick. Pass. Alejandro. Long pass. 1-on-1. Hook shot. Rebound. Ay, from the glass. Basket at glass. Morales. Elandro, sumatagi mula sa gitna. Crossover. Suyungan, tayo ng bola. Agad, Captain Masa, big, flat, fire, 7 Papadipin dito ang Team Balagtas. Kirsten Bukawe, side step. No good. Rebound. And number 2 here at the corner. Number 27. Ramos. Pass back. Sanchez long play. York, good back shot. And the finish. Elena. Last race, counted and one. Balagtas, Ramos, Pato, Juarez, Crossmaster, 6, 10, fire, target down. Reyes, bagong pass. Valena. Valena, dire-diretso na naman, makalunod. Valena. Juarez. Step back, Andre. Sakto. Nabulog si Idol. Ligtas ng pasa nun. And the finish by Ramos. And here go. Umatake si Valen. Late. No good. Ramos. Slowly moving down. Ramos tumitigtas. Ramos is big. All alone, open a meeting time. Side pass, behind the back dribble, big, take away shot. Long pass, all alone, easy bucket. 1 minute, 19 seconds left, sa gitna, floater. Going in and out, well rebound, good back to Labyrinth. And pass break, 2 versus 1. Dire-diretso sa Idol, ginalawa, wala.